Alright, this is my Casablanca Delta II ceiling fan 1989 with 5 blades instead of 4. So it's just the same except for 5 blades, and I put the 5th blade on, blade arm, everything. So we're gonna go ahead and do the light here. We'll start up with first setting. First lighting all 4 of them, outside and everything. Now we'll go ahead and demonstrate the fan on low. And of course, it doesn't start. I have to get up there and bang it with my freaking hand. Tell me your thoughts on whether 4 or 5 blades looks better. I know obviously 4 blows more air, and that's the one that I resorted to first, so we'll have to see if you like it better in my room with 5 or 4 blades. Also matching the light kit and everything, just the fan model itself. I would like to know your thoughts on that. So please tell me in the comments below the video. Yeah. I'll have information in the description below as well. Alright, so medium speed. Medium speed. Now. Spin down now. I literally have no patience. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and do a startup noise video, or startup noise. Okay, so start up now. The filament of the light all right here. Ow, sorry. Poor little. Oh, am I putting dents in that? Anyway, there you go. Let's look at the flywheel while it's in motion as well. It is a bit bent. I wouldn't say bent, but all the blade arms are tightened, so therefore meaning that it's the rubber flywheel. Which I'll demonstrate how rubbery it is. It's not too rubbery actually. See, it doesn't shake as much as a healthy flywheel, but it's not about to break. I don't think so. It's just a little harder than the other blade arm, or not the other flywheels, I guess. Anyway, so all the specs of the fan, and then the ball chains. And this is just for the light fitter. See. It's just over here. That's all it is. I don't even know if I showed that. Now I know that I did. Okay, well, I gotta turn that off. Here's the fan. And then all the specs. Everything. spring, I converted it to Phillips blade screws because I cannot stand the flathead. It's got a loopy arm fitter here with these prismatic crystal globes, and in the center a Casablanca globe that I just needed a mid-center one, and this one looks better, more fitting. And I have clear light bulbs to create this effect on the ceiling like that, and on the floors and the walls as well. So yeah, there it is. Ceiling fan in my bedroom. Oh, and I suppose I can give you guys a top shot of the power lock down rod system. And the kick 5 motor at the top. And then these are slanting towards the reverse direction, and these are slanting towards forward. How interesting. I will not show it in reverse right now. I'll do that for a separate video. So, bye.